How to get free Etsy listings. Hello guys, so today we're here because I'm going to show you some tips on how to get free Etsy listings on your Etsy account or shop if you want to pay a low fee on your listing or you don't want to pay anything. So first things first is to go to the Etsy website, of course, and you go to your account and proceed to your store manager. But if you don't have an account, that's just easy. All you have to do is open a new tab. But in my case, I'm going to use a private tab so that it won't recognize me. So here you're going to fill up your email and password and then register. So in here, I'm just going to input my email address. So here I'm typing my email address. Then proceed to next and then input your password. So I'm gonna input my password. So now I have input my password. I'm just gonna go proceed for this two-step verification. And now we're logged into our Etsy account. So now that you're logged in, we're gonna proceed to our account. Go to drop down, and as you can see, there is an option sell and Etsy. So you have to click that. And now that you're logged in order to start selling, Etsy will lead you to this page where you'll get started. So here, just click on the get started. And here, choose let's do this in order to proceed. And on the next page is going to ask you this one. What brings you to Etsy? So I'm just gonna assume that we're all here to start selling for the first time. So I'm gonna choose the first option. Then we proceed to the next. And the next one is this one. Is there anything you'd like help with? So here, let's just say we need help on almost all of these. So just take check mark on the boxes, then click next. So now that we're starting our shop, it will lead you to this page, your shop preferences. So here you input your shop language, country, and your currency, then save and continue. Then the next one is to name your shop. So here I'm typing what name my shop would be. So you can choose to make your own name, or so here I'm just typing. So as you can see, there are handy name generators. So you can choose to use this one from the suggested handy name generator. So let's click save and continue. So here we start our listing. Here we upload our photos, videos, shipping, delivery, and such other informations for personalization and others. So now, if you want to have an active shop in Etsy and start seeing your sales, you need to pay a fee for your listing in order for these listings to be published and sell and also be active on your shop. So we're going to go to the shop manager and proceed to the add listing. So as you can see here, I have a listing already. So we're going to proceed in that one for a sample. So as you can see, I already have my photos. I already have my information, my listing details input. So we're just going to go down. We're going to focus on the inventory and pricing. So here, we're gonna go to the inventory and pricing. So after inputting all the listing details, your title, your other information such as the primary color of your listing, your secondary color, your type, your description. So here we focused on the inventory and pricing where we have to compute for the our main price of our inventory and then add on the listing fee and then add the delivery fee as well in order to get a free listing on publishing our product on Etsy. So this is will help us save at least paying from fees on Etsy as well. So help us save to publish our listing. So here. So there are two ways we can avoid listing. First one is we can add a fee of the listing inside the price of the inventory. So example, I have this price. So example, I have $50, and since the listing costs about 20 cents, I'm going to add up $1. So here we have this price. I'm gonna add a $1. That is something we can do. So here in the delivery, let's assume that the delivery costs about $5. So we're going to add up that on the pricing. So here I'm just going to add up for about $5. So it's about in here in the delivery, let's assume that the delivery costs about $5. So we're going to add up on that pricing. So instead of putting that to the delivery price, we're going to put the price on the price item. So we're going to add on it. So now we have $180. So now that we have that input, as you can see, it now offers free delivery. So now we don't have to worry about the prices fees on our listings. So we can go continue. So save and continue. So now we have that. So as you can see now, when you're going to publish Etsy, it's going to charge 20 cents. So if you want to avoid this, there's also another way that Etsy has, which is called affiliation program. So what we're going to do is we're just going to search for 40 listing free, or this link, etsy.com/invites/sell. So here, if we invite our friends who are just starting their shop, we are giving them 40 free listings. So whoever uses this link, they can get 40 free listings. And when they make use of this free listing, we're also going to be having few credits into our seller account. So it would be a win-win situation since we're giving free listings to our friends as well, and at the same time we're also getting credit for giving them free listings. So this is how we can get it for free since it will be just paid for itself. So that's about it, guys, on how you'll be able to get free listings on your Etsy shop. Make sure to follow all the steps and apply so that you'll be able to save for your shop as well. Thank you for watching.